Hello, my name is Heather, and I am a teacher for children with communication difficulties. Children who think differently, and children who find it difficult to go to school. Are you looking for a teacher who listens to what you want, what you like? I want to help. We can cook and sing and paint and write and draw and whatever you want to do. If you want to know more, write to me